How to fix Instagram note feature not showing. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. The very first solution is you have to switch your Instagram account to the professional account. For that, head towards your profile. At the top right corner, you can find three bars. Tap on it. Go to the option settings. Now open this option account. Scroll all the way down. You can find the option of switch to professional account. Tap on it. Tap on continue. From here, select any of the category that describes you the best and then tap on done. Here you can choose if you are a creator or you are using Instagram for the business purpose and then tap on next. Tap on OK. Now you can go back. After you switch your Instagram account to the professional account, now you can head towards your chat section and check whether notes feature is available or not. Likewise, the second solution is you have to turn on the activity status in your Instagram account. For that, go to your profile, tap on three bars, open the option settings. Now open this option privacy. Scroll all the way down. You can find the option of activity status. Open it. Now toggle on for this option, so activity status. And now you are good to go. You can check whether your problem is solved or not. Likewise, the third solution is you can update your Instagram app to its latest version. For that, open your App Store or Play Store. Now search for the app Instagram. After app appears, you will be able to see the option of open or update over here. If you see the option of update, just tap on it and update your Instagram app to its latest version. And after you update your Instagram, you can just open and check whether your problem is solved or not. Now the next thing you can do is uninstall your Instagram app and reinstall it. Long press on your Instagram app, different options will pop up. Select the option of remove app, tap on delete app. After you delete your app, open your App Store or Play Store and search for the app Instagram and install it. If all of this solution doesn't work for you, then you can report a problem. For that, open your Instagram app, head towards your profile, tap on three bars given at the top right corner. Now go to this option settings. Tap on this option help. Tap on this very first option report a problem. Tap on report problem without checking. Tap on done include and continue. Now here you have to explain about your problem. You can explain in the similar way as I have done it. If you want to, you can add the pictures and screenshot of the page where notes feature are available, and then you can tap on this option of send given at the top right corner. After you submit your request, Instagram will get back to you within few hours or days. Until then, you have to wait, and definitely you're gonna get this note feature. So these are the ways to fix note feature not showing on Instagram account. This was all for this video. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.